Hello Shiba holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Shiba coin, my friends. So what's going on in the Shiba? What's the price in the Shiba core token? In this video, I will show you, my friends. But before starting this video, my friends, keep watch ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, and make sure my friends to subscribe. Click the subscribe button and never miss any updates about cryptocurrencies market, my friends. My friends, you know what? Today, the whole cryptocurrencies market price is going down. The Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, Shiba also falls down, my friends, at this time in the market. So, what should we do in this critical situation, and how you can save yourself from loss? There is only one way, my friends. In this video, I will share my personally and my special advice with all of you. So keep watch. 0.000007 USD dollar. That is the currently and latest price of the Shiba in the market. And furthermore, my friends, if you look the price change of the Shiba so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week price change is negative. This price change is negative. So if this price change is negative, so this means that you are in the loss. Let me show you the price chart. My friends, in the previous time, in the last start of week, the Shiba will take a huge pump. It's taken a huge jump, but unfortunately, after some passage of time, the price will again falls down. You can see here. So the average level changes is in negative 6.8%, my friends. And the last 1 month price change is also negative. So if this price change is still negative, that's mean that you are in the loss. You are in the loss from the last 1 month, from the last 1 week. So that's why my personally advice, my special advice for all of you is that please hold it, don't decide to sell, and don't buy more Shiba token at this time, my friends. Don't buy more and don't decide to sell. Only hold. Holding is the only way to save yourself from loss. Otherwise, if you decide to sell, so you are in the loss. Hold it and don't decide to sell. What do you think about that? What is your opinion? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.